In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on All Services. Select Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Following that, tap on any password that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Then hit this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!